Oh my god.
But we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA.
I think there's a truck up, like a pop up there. He's coming down. Wow, look at that truck. Look at this other truck floating around. Look at it.
Wow! There's somebody else here.
Is this his friend?
I don't know.
Or watch, this guy's like, no, you guys can't be here.
I think this is. What's he doing?
Oh, smokes. Oh my god!
Oh,
Crazy. I wish somebody recorded you going up that. That would have been sick.
Yeah. How can we go there? I'm shaking.
I'm shaking.
I was shaking so much and I jumped up and down. I was jumping up and down, Mommy. Did you see me jump up and down?
No, I didn't see you.
I saw myself jump up and down. And it was funny. I didn't jump.
Oh man.
What?
This looks intense.
What's wrong? We're stuck?
No.
Oh, good. Ooh, that was good.
Is that him? Oh, no.
Hello? Not much, you?
Go, babe.
Go.
Alright.
Put the glass.
Okay, bye.
Go.
Who's that?
We should just try to keep some space down here.
Oh.
What? Good thing we're not going down the biggest one. That would be really scary. Wow.
Yeah, because it might slide.
Huh? What?
Oh, wow.
What?
This is intense. Oh, smoke. See, that would suck if we were on our frame. Oh man, this looks intense. Look at that hole that is in front of him.
That is different.
Okay, you gotta strategically go so that we don't get stuck.
Very slow?
No, I said strategically.
What's that? What?
Okay, hang on. Just watch him how he's going so he doesn't get stuck.
Okay. Concentrate. What you're doing. Concentrate.
That's crazy.
I told you. You can't go through that thing how you just whipped up that hill. That was intense. He stuck more to the right. Oh man. Oh man. Daddy's not scared. Daddy didn't need to concentrate. Just whip through it.
We don't need to concentrate.
Or I guess he's more worried about his truck anyways.
That was crazy.
It was
I
fun.
was just concentrating on him, Mom.
It looks cool when the trucks bend and the axles and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is a big dip.
Big what?
A dip.
What's a dip?
There's a big hole.
Where?
Right here. Oh no, it wasn't too big.
That doesn't big.
It just looks sick when it's in the...
Yeah.
It doesn't feel how it looks.
This is
that one did, kind of though.
The same. Oh, we're tipping over. Okay,
Yeah, we're going on the side now.
Okay, I am just like a bird. I'm just like a bat because I am laying to the side. This is what bats do. What are you doing?
Saying hi.
Bats are scared.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
Hi. This is funny. Whoa. Okay, I am just like a bat. I don't want to talk to her.
#1 hit music station.
Right now at the Home Depot's $100 on a
Going down.
Maytag top.
That looks intense.
Okay, but this we don't have to concentrate. Why are we going slow?
Wow, that looks crazy. Look at that. I hope we don't get stuck.
Whoa! You're not even scared. I'm not even scared of this. I'm not scared of this. I'm not scared. Why are they falling down? Are they falling?
No, they're climbing the hill.
Climb slow.
Then you
Make
get
it
up
more
there.
fun. Don't wreck our truck as much. It's fun going fast too, though.
Is the truck playing, Daddy?
Yeah.
The truck
Is the truck playing? The truck's having fun.
These trucks are having fun. These trucks
I really gotta pee,
having
though.
fun.
That's the only thing that's bad about out here.
You mean you can go pee out there?
No. Oh yeah, I've got that.
Oh.
Wow, we're like
Oh, no, look
so
at
far
that.
on the side.
No, look, Mommy, look.
I'm looking, baby. I'm looking.
Big money.
Did he stall? Oh no, he's good.
Is he gonna fall?
You got stuck.
No, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Is Ellie gonna be like that?
Yes.
Yo, that looks sick.
That was
It hopped
crazy.
and everything.
If you
Yeah, he's
have
saying
to
go
be
on
like
this
that,
side.
I'm gonna-
Baby, why don't you listen to him?
I'm trying.
No.
Go back more. Go back more. Go back more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Huh? Should I go right into here?
I would go more back more so you can go up.
Why don't I just go through here like that?
You want to go through with him? He said go that way. That's why I was saying just go up here.
Why would you go that way?
Okay, do what you want.
I'm too worried.
What are you doing, baby? You go there. See, you go back more, you can probably pop up the hill.
Are we gonna get stuck there?
No?
Why are you trying to back up?
Daddy's trying to get up that little hill there.
What's he doing?
There we go. Oh,
No,
no,
we're fucked.
dude. Right here, right here, right here.
We're fucked.
Yeah, we're back. Bad road. Just go through it.
Are we stuck?
He doesn't think we can make it through that one?
Um,
Yeah.